Hi, you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are fine and going well with your studies. I was also going more or less okay with my studies until I fell ill and accumulated a lot of backlogs. But this time, rather than panicking and doing everything at once, I decided to take it slow. I thought, why not to do the lectures on Saturday, Sunday, and on holidays? And also, I used to do other things like note making, etc., on a daily basis. By the way, I have two classes in a day. To be honest, in the beginning, when I just recovered from my illness, I was not even able to complete one full lecture a day. But I did whatever I can. Talking about my backlogs, I had this much of backlogs along with the classes, which are total 30 lectures. I have completed 19 lectures out of those 30 for now, and of course I'll continue completing those, but for now I thought why not to make a video and give a quick update. By the way, making videos and uploading them has somehow helped me to cope up with my studies. I don't know how, but it did. So I think that was it for the video, and let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or if you like my video, and also do let me know if you too have backlogs. Meet you in next video. Until then, keep shining. Bye bye.